I buy this for a couple of days, but they are not working. Seems to be mold and water, and it's not even like in description. It's empty, the bottle is empty, but the water is still here.
Hi, just a quick video review of this dehumidifier. So this particular unit has been in place for nearly a calendar month now, and obviously looking at the amount of clothes that are trying to dry in this room, as you can see, absolutely condensation free the window. I would thoroughly recommend this product.